What are the most important steps to properly optimize an Amazon PPC campaign? The most important things for you to optimize an Amazon PPC campaign is confirming towards what are you optimizing for. Are you optimizing towards profitability, aka you want to get cheaper sales around with the same amount of budget, or are you optimizing towards scalability, meaning you want to get more sales while you're also willing to pay more in advertising, but knowing clearly that you should still be profitable on those ads. And why I'm saying this is because most of the time people, whenever they're hearing about optimization and they are going to say, okay, let's optimize the ads, they don't define optimization. Optimization can mean two different things, and it's really important towards what do we optimize for, because if we're going to optimize towards profitability, the end goal of optimization towards profitability, this usually is happening after we scale. So we are scaling the account, we're creating new ads, if needed we're increasing bids, we're increasing placements and so on, but we never just take away right away everything, unless we are taking over a brand, bleeding a lot of spend on things that don't work for them. So really important to understand that even us, in the way how we are managing brands and managing their ads, is first we would scale unless we see clearly that, hey, they're spending lots of money on things that don't work, so we are stopping the bleeding. And then once that they are healed, quote unquote here, like using metaphor, once they are healed, once they are not bleeding anymore, then we start to build muscle. However, when it comes down to brands that literally are doing well, they are ready to scale and they want to get market share, we would naturally go into the second phase, which is scaling towards profitability. So we would invest more money, and also we will make sure that gradually we are going to increase in revenue as well. So that is the way how we would be defining optimization.